Good morning, dear hearts. We're at lesson 108. To give and to receive are one in truth. This lesson starts by telling us that vision actually depends upon today's idea, vision. The light is in this lesson, okay? And because this lesson, the idea of this lesson reconciles all seeming opposites. Light is necessary in order for us to have vision. And we will use that same example here in the separated world as it is, okay, in our illusion. We know that if I enter a room, I must put a light on, flick a switch in order to be able to see. Well, the light must come into my mind in order for me to have vision, which is at a whole different level. But I want to have and I need to have vision, because until I have vision, I will not be able to reconcile all of these opposites. But with vision will come the end of all conflicts that are experienced in this world. That vision will contain the one whole true thought, which then brings us all eternal peace. What is that one thought? That one thought is God. It is the one unified state of mind where no darkness can enter, because the light in it is so encompassing, so bright, so eternal, that darkness cannot enter. And the other reason darkness cannot enter is because when our mind is in this state of oneness and light, there is no call towards darkness to bid it to enter the mind. So without the invitation, darkness will not enter my mind. I invite darkness into my mind whenever I am in a separated state. But this idea, today's idea, will reconcile that, so I am no longer going down that path to invite in what I truly do not want. In this unified state of mind where no darkness can enter, I will rediscover the healing light, which is so glorious and so comforting. And in this one healing light or thought, all is one again, and giving and receiving are now seen as one, let's call it an activity. Now, the thing is that this law of giving and receiving can be activated in this separated world as well. In our one whole thought mind, whatever I extend, I will receive back, and tenfold and more, as we have been told. So every time I extend peace or light or gentleness, I will have the experience of that coming back to me. In this world, the law works as well, but not to the extent that I would want it to. I don't want to get back what I'm giving in this world. And I've used this example before, if I somehow wake up on the wrong side of the bed and I am in a awful mood, I am angry, and I don't even know why I'm angry, it will be surprising how many other angry people I run into during the course of my day, because I am giving, I am projecting my anger onto others, and I will get what I give. And I know we have all found this to be true, that when we are in a state of unrest, everything we see, everything we experience happens to be at that same level. But I can change my thought, and instead of being in the lower level of what I give, I get, I can be what I extend, I receive. And this is when I am in the one holy state of mind, in the one thought of God. Remember, God is a thought, an idea within our mind, just as we are a thought within His. So there is always going to be, what this lesson tells us, an exact return. And it says, and you can quickly see that. And we do, because, and this is why, that, you know, if I'm operating out of the ego mind, I am quickly going to see what I give, I get. If I am operating from my one-mindedness, I will receive what I extend. Today's lesson also, of course, the practicing is the first 5 minutes of every hour. And it gives some ideas. It says, again, to close your eyes and to think of what you would hold out to everyone today. And it says, to everyone I offer quietness. To everyone I offer peace of mind. To everyone I offer gentleness. And I always add, to everyone I offer kindness. This will be my experience today as I realize that to give and to receive are one in truth. So I hope that helped. I hope you are having a day where you are extending wonderful things and receiving them back tenfold and more. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Please subscribe, and please comment. Namaste.